If you're feeling stuck, chances are that you're playing by the wrong rule book. There are limiting beliefs getting in the way of your boldness, your confidence, and your ability to deliver your service to the world. I have a workshop that I'd really love to invite you to. It's called Hack Your Brain to Become Limitless. And it helps you root out those false limits, as well as giving you 3 ways to reprogram those limits right away so that they stop being a problem. This is not about willpower. This is not about affirmations. This is about talking to your unconscious mind and reprogramming your brain at the physiological level so that your change is instantaneous and profound. Go now to sign up. The link is in the description below, and I look forward to helping you transform. By the way, if you're looking for a free pass just to get a taste of this and see if it really will help you out, use the code FRIEND for a 100% discount. I look forward to seeing you.